Hi, beloveds. I'm Tonya Gonzalez, creator of Flow Writing Therapy and Spiritual Wellness Coaching. What this unique experience is an opportunity to not only work with me and get some spiritual coaching, but it is writing therapy. Did you know in as little as 15 minutes a day, 3 times to 4 times a week, you could start to heal some of the childhood trauma and emotional experiences that have held you back? It has been through writing through my wounds that I have learned so much wisdom, not only about myself, but about the world around me, about my relationships with money, with my body, and so many different things. Flow is an opportunity for you to dive into your journal in a very specific way that allows you to really identify what is underneath all the suffering and the sorrow that has followed you. This is more than just journaling and writing. This is guided breath work and meditation. Because when you allow yourself the space to expand within your mind, within your body, you extend that energy out through the hand. And that is the energy that we tap into in writing and our flowing. And so every Saturday we meet and have a live session where I share with you a spiritual concept, and I also share with you a guided meditation as well as a prayer. And in this opportunity, what we do is dive deep into some questions that allow you to examine it over the course of the 7 days, really allowing you to cement it in. Because if we could heal ourselves, we would have done it by now. Writing allows us to release all the pain that has been trapped within our bodies and putting it onto paper, thus releasing it from our system. What this does is start to calm down our nervous system. It starts to show us how we can release stress. And through the breath work and the meditation, it allows you to start to calm that anxiety and allow you to become very aware on who you are and what you're here to do. And so I invite you to join me every week for a very special opportunity to really tune into you. You can join me weekly or monthly, and every month we have a new theme. Right now we're focusing on healing sexual abuse. And it is such profound healing work. And so we're going to spend a month on it, really diving in deep. The following month in December, we're going to look at that last full moon, that last juicy experience of the new moon, and really dive into some moon medicine. And what this is examining the 4 phases of a woman's cycle with the 8 phases of the moon, and how we can start to honor and heal ourselves and really harness that energy. In January, we'll do some self-love plan journaling and continue on February with some love. And so I'm just inviting you, beloveds, to flow. This is an opportunity for you to work at home, be self-directed, as well as low cost and affordable. All you need to do is give yourself a chance and some quiet to sit and reflect. Every Monday, I upload a new prayer for you, and every week you get a new guided meditation along with some writing prompts. I'm sending you so much love as you go through your healing journey, and I am here to support you in all the ways that I can. I'm sending you so much love, beloveds, and I invite you to flow. Until next time, namaste.